In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Lovable project private. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Lovable dashboard to change a project's visibility so only the right people can see it. Start by heading to the Lovable dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look to your navigation and open the view that shows all of your projects. This gives you a full list so you can quickly find the specific project you want to adjust. If you manage multiple projects, a quick tip is to scan for the project you're actively working on to avoid changing the wrong one. Next, open the project. Click into it so you're looking at the project's main page. From there, go straight to Settings. Settings is where Lovable groups all of the project level controls, so it's the best place to handle anything related to security, access, and visibility. Inside Settings, switch to the Privacy and Security tab. This section is dedicated to who can view or interact with the project and is where you'll make it private. Look for the area labeled Default Project Visibility. This setting determines whether the project is open or locked down by default. Choose Restricted. Selecting Restricted tightens access so that only authorized members can view the project and its contents. It's the right choice when you want to protect work in progress, confidential assets, or anything that shouldn't be publicly discoverable. If you collaborate with a small internal team or a limited set of stakeholders, this option helps you keep control without manually changing permissions for every item. If you see a prompt to upgrade, click Upgrade to Business. Some privacy controls, including restricted visibility, may require the business plan. Upgrading unlocks these advanced settings and ensures your project can remain private across the board. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the upgrade, then return to the Privacy and Security tab and confirm that Restricted is selected under Default Project Visibility. Once Restricted is in place, your Lovable project is effectively private. A helpful habit is to glance back at the visibility section in Settings to confirm your choice is active. From now on, people who don't have permission won't be able to access the project. That's it. You went to the dashboard, opened all projects, selected your project, entered Settings, moved to Privacy and Security, chose Restricted, and if needed, upgraded to Business. Thanks for watching and enjoy the added peace of mind that comes with keeping your Lovable project private.